Where'd you find this?
Hey guys, so as you can see by the title, it's going to be a cold start of a 1953 Ferguson FF30 from France. You can just probably see on that plate there. It's actually the equivalent to an English TEA20, but with a 30 horse diesel instead of a 27. So it hasn't started for about 3 months. So the first thing we're going to do is just check the oil and get this cooperator. Like I say, it's been sat for about 3 months. It's been pretty cold out here. It was about -4 yesterday. Let me see. Bang on. Yeah, about -4 yesterday, so it got pretty cold. It's about 5 degrees now, Celsius that is. But yeah, like I say, old start, cold start. We'll see how she goes. I've got faith in her. She will start. And yeah, it's going to be a awkward angle, but still. As you can see, fired straight up, a little bit smoky. Like I said, it was an old start, cold start, so not too bad at all. Basically, I'm just seeing if it will start because I've got a climbing match in 10 days, so I just want to make sure it's tip-top condition for that, but there you go.